Look at it. Model C0914H2. Capacity, all that. 1 INR 1966. It's Guangdong Power Tech New Power Company in Hengdong, Henkeng. Shilling Industry Zone, Liabu Town, Dongguan, China. There's a website here, www.szpowertech.com.cn. Wait, there it is. And then in here, we can open this up if you want to. Look inside. It looks like a nice little wrapping here. Look at it. What's in here? So for the looks of it, it's an 18650, right? That's the size of it. 18650. Let's see what's on top. Here, there. Oh. Now see, it's shrink wrapped in here. But 18650, that's what it is. Put it back together. It is good in here. No problem, no problem, no problem. Oh, this goes in here.